Good day everyone. This day I will share about important information to you about how to remove the background image by using the GIMP. As we know that GIMP is the free and open source application, and it is the solution to replace if we don't want to use the uh, commercial image processing like Adobe Photoshop and other. Let me start. For example, I have this picture. It is my photo, and we have a business to remove the background. This is the foreground. We just only want to we just only to take the foreground and remove the background because we want to change the background. How to do it? Please open your gym. Okay, then insert your picture by click file, then open, select your photo, click the open button. Okay, now how to remove the background? There is around 12 steps to remove your background using GIMP. This is we will use the technique that this level is slightly advanced. The step one is click on your image with the right mouse button and select duplicate layer. Okay, let's go back to your gym. Please right click on your layer image, then select duplicate. Duplicate layer. Okay, click this one. Okay, first step, the finish first step, then going to the step 2, go to color and then choose saturate scale to 0 and click OK. Okay, go back again to the gym, place color, click the colors menu, then from this layer, from this layer, right click, then select the I am forgot. Let's go back to the go to color, choose the saturate. Go to color, then choose saturate. Saturation. Okay, this menu. Click the saturation. Okay. By default, the scale is set to 1000. Uh, just trim to down until 0 scale and click the OK button so your image will appear seems grayscale in grayscale format. Okay, then we going to the step 3, click on colors and then choose curve. After that, we going to the step 4, make the subject to be black and the background mostly white by adjusting the top and bottom nodes. Okay, so in the third step, please click on color, then select the curve. Okay, and we aim to make the background to be white and the foreground to be dominant in dark color or black. Okay, let's try to adjust. Okay, I think it is very hard to do this. Let me use another method. For a while, just click OK. Then I will make the foreground to be more dark. I will use this menu, Paintbrush tool. Okay. Then I choose the foreground to be a black color, and I will colorize the object to be black, maybe like this. It is more logic. Okay, I think like this. Just cover on the foreground with the black color because we want to implement the masking method. Okay, I think it is enough. Okay, then what we must do, we are going to the step 5. There is a go to the color tab and select the invert option. Okay, but before we will do this, I will for once again to just the curve. So the background is really black, maybe like this. Okay, give the max again. I will give the paintbrush to make sure the all the foreground is covered with the black color. Okay, I think it is enough. Then in the step 5, go to the color tab and select invert option. Go to the color, then select the invert option. Okay, we click this invert. Yeah, right. Now the background to be in the black and the foreground being dominant in white. So we going to the step of 7, where we must to going to the edit tab, then select copy visible option. Click the edit tab, then copy visible option. Okay, we click this menu, nothing happened. Then going to the step X, where in the bottom right corner on the editor, click on the visible layer icon next to your image. It look like an apple. Okay, in the right side on your gym application there are apple. Just click this apple, so the first layer that we have make and manipulation on the foreground will not appear. Okay, after that we going to the ninth step. Click the right mouse button on the original layer and select add layer mask. Okay, we click this mask, right click, then select the add layer mask. Okay, then the pop-up menu will appear. Just um, don't do any change to this menu, just click add button. Okay, after this what we must do, then keep the default setting and press add. I think we have done. Then in the 11th step, go to the edit menu and select the paste command. Edit menu, then select paste command. Okay, we click this menu. Wow, wonderful. Now the color was removed. After that, Click on the small green anchor icon in the bottom right hand corner of the editor. Make the white background transparent. This will cause the white background to become transparent. Okay. The button that means is this button. There is in the right button your gym application. You will see the symbol of anchor with the cover of green button. Just click this one. Okay. Now the background was removed. So to make this image more looks appropriate, like we implement to click this one, fuzzy selector. Then we invert image with select. Then select invert. Where's the invert? I think just click the tab of Start menu, then click the invert. Okay, let me press the delete in your keyboard button. Oh, it is not good. I think I will go back with click the control in button and the Z button. Okay, I think it is enough. So let's none. Okay, let's we export the image. Export as. Make sure your image is in the format of PNG. Select PNG. Okay, this one. Then export. Then click export. Okay, let me see the result. This is the result of the removing your background. Um, Not bad, but maybe we need to more. Uh, we need to remove again the green area. This area. Thank you, everyone.